One of the things that I get out of the DIY Tourism Marketing Conference is the ability to receive really practical information and also share information with your peers. Find out what works and what hasn't worked.
Because the conference is intimate, you get a chance to chat with people directly and hear what they're working on, and they get to hear from you about how your technology, your service might be able to help them achieve those goals.
I think the most valuable thing we offer at the DIY Tourism Conference is kind of a constellation of all the best practices and nuggets of actionable best practices that people can take back and use in their plans either immediately or as they're planning for next year.
Historically, I think it's that intersection of making sure that the diverse community is fully engaged with the projects that you're bringing to your local towns and cities.
So just making sure, to me, that you get training, but also that you invite people in for real and give them real power, share your power.
One of the things I got out of this conference is the fact that we should approach part of tourism from a community perspective.
So all of these things are basically just going to allow us to have more freedom, I think, rather than having to call a graphic designer every time we want to do something.
The number one thing I love about this conference is the feeling of family and friendship. There are people that I respect, there are people in the industry that I think are doing amazing things, and incredible creativity and a total devotion to building community.